Welcome back to Daytime Live, everyone. If you're just tuning in, you've just caught the perfect moment. 3 students from Beauty Plus Academy, big up Pete again. Beauty Plus Academy and Supply Store, they have spent the last 35 minutes transforming their models into stunning final looks. No, they have blended fantasy, avant-garde techniques and the spirit of Jamaican folklore. Each participant will have 30 seconds to explain their inspiration, the folklore reference, and whether their look is fantasy or avant-garde.
Hold on.
Then, yeah, man, you're on a microphone now. No, then their model will be judged by our experts, Shanoya Nelson, Sheena Graham, and Yannick Thomas.
Awesome stuff.
Yeah, our judges over there. So our judges, yes. So our judges. Big up Sheena, our very own. Now
So, yeah, all right. So up first is Aisha Mitchell.
Who's Aisha?
There you go.
Aisha.
Alright, so my makeup inspo was based on Miss Hanny Palmer, otherwise known as the
No, I'm afraid. And if I'm gonna kill all our husband,
Well, you're not feeling cool.
However, so this is a fantasy of the Jamaica Folklore.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is basically the after effects of her makeup. Makeup that was done. So she was born in the 1800s, where she had married 3 times, and the last husband that she had killed her and captured her spirit.
and she has Scorpio twin, so it fit in. All right, the next one is Shauna K. Smith.
Shauna K is out.
Shauna K is
All the way over there. Yeah, and give it to Shauna.
Hi guys. So my makeup look today was inspired by the famous book that we all read in school. It is The Catwheel and the Catwoman and the Spinning Wheel. So this is a Jamaican folklore story, whereas the Catwoman loses her skin to someone that she trusts. A man that she trusts actually put salt and pepper in her skin.
Yes.
And as you can see, she no longer can wear her skin. Her skin is falling off because she's now stuck in the cat form.
So I hope another whole one have man problem, you know.
The man them now make it, you know.
I like the direction.
The man them now make it out. We have one lad, so we have one more
Shauna K.
contest.
Smith?
Shauna K. Smith.
Oh,
Aisha.
Aisha.
Yes. Sorry,
Aisha Thompson. Thompson, you have good last name too.
Well, I know, unless you have man problem.
Oh.
Okay, so this makeup inspo came from the Jamaican folklore River Mama.
May I tell you? Sorry, man.
As y'all can see, she's a mermaid. She is described to be a mystical spirit, often depicted as a beautiful mermaid, as y'all can see. She normally guards Jamaican rivers. The most common one is the Rio Cobre River. She's known to lure men.
Me not tell you, bro.
Me see her one time, you know, River Mama.
And she's a very vengeful spirit and can be very
Judges, so we have 3 female
but this is her.
makeup contestants, so we have 3 female judges. Whoa, it's very interesting. All right, so the judges are tabulating the scores, and then a little bit later on we'll tell you. Huh? Okay. All right.
Yeah,
so
scores.
So we're going to get the scores from the judges?
Yes, man.
All right, so you have a microphone over there? Sure. Let's hear from our first judge. 1 minute? She not ready yet?
Oh, them are right up.
No, still
right up.
It's interesting that all of these folklore. I mean, guys, do you remember all these stories, right? Do you remember all these stories? Which one is your favorite?
Creativity is spirit. Yeah.
River Mama. Yeah, man problem.
Mine too.
Yeah.
So, you know, some have a Rasta bridge. A Rasta bridge, right? Yeah. What time does a River Mama come checking for a unicorn? She ride one unicorn and grab him in the night. And him get him skilled. When she let him go and him come back, he's a sculptor at Westmoreland. When she let him go and him come back, that's where him get him skill from.
She did that.
My Rastaman at Westmoreland. So him and River Muma friend. And the unicorn.
Let me ask the models themselves. Do any of you find any relation to the characters that you're... Do you feel like there is some sort of like you can relate to the characters?
Really different from what you said in the start. Other than that, no.
Okay, all right then. Okay, Annie.
It is very fun.
Miss Momo. They call her River Momo, Mrs. Momo.
The one in the yellow.
I don't really like people.
She don't lure people.
Yeah,
That's good to know.
She don't really do it.
Oh, she don't really lure people.
It happen
They work
sometime.
Okay.
But not intentionally.
Not on purpose. Okay.
Now you talk about changing skin. Excuse me. Yes, do you find that your personality and the character that you're modeling have some certain similarities?
All of them?
I think so, because when very evil man here do it.
I think so.
You not feel low?
Well, the way I'm dressed, I can't argue there.
That is why I sail on the high seas there. That's I'd avoid all of these things. So the judges are still tabulated. Judges, you're ready to give us our final scores?
Yeah.
You ready now?
Yes.
All right, judges.
You want me to be honest?
There we go.
All right, then go up there.
Our lead judge.
All right. Well, come in, judges.
All right, judges, come quickly. You can stand on that side. And let us know.
Hello. Hi.
Give us a overall, back synopsis, your opinion of the what all the contestants did, your opinion of their application.
And we only have 3 minutes. So
Yeah, so what we're looking for is
oh no, they might. It's okay.
creativity,
originality,
Storytelling.
and who actually interpreted the theme correctly. We want to see what you added special to it. We added your twist to it, and we wanted them to think outside of the box and don't play it too safe.
Not play it too safe. All right, so in 3rd place, who you have?
You can go ahead.
I want to read out the scores.
Aisha.
White Witch of Rose Hall.
Is in 3rd place?
Third place.
I'll put hands together for the White Witch of Rose Hall.
Easy on it.
All right.
Yes.
Can we give them our reasons?
What's that?
Can we just explain to her?
Yeah, quickly.
All right. So the reason why you had the 3rd place is we love the costume, we love the creativity, we love all of that, but we think you played it too safe.
Yeah, could have done
I like
way
this.
more.
You could have done so much. Like we were supposed to be scared. Like you could have done a full white face, so like she could look
walk
like
with somebody's head or something.
Yeah, because she's a ghost. So,
Yeah.
They're ghosts.
Yes, but definitely and very talented.
Ghosts and braces, yeah.
I like
They're not
it.
scary.
Eyeshadow, very neat and symmetrical.
In 2nd place.
Okay, so in 2nd place we have Aisharma.
Aisharma.
Yes, and the same thing applied to you, Aisharma. We think you could have done so much, especially you could have paint our face blue.
Yeah.
You could have
Put some paint in the hair as well.
Yes, you could have done a lot.
Glitters, draw, even put some drawing on the face.
But you see, for precision and technical skills, you had us.
Yes.
Yeah, that you
Very
did
blending as well.
amazing.
Blending is
You did your own face.
Yeah.
Girl.
So your look has a lot of potential as well.
Yeah, she does have a lot of potential.
So
And
if
we
you
like
had-
the placement of your rhinestone, like you have everything down to the T, you just played it too safe for this theme. And
So 3rd, we have 3rd place, 2nd place, which means that our 1st place
The
is...
spinning wheel.
Somebody can bake for about 2 months the amount of foil she using, man.
All right, so for me, you're not very clean and neat, but I think it all boils down to the creativity of your look. It really sells the story, the Catwoman and the spinning wheel. But as for you know,
could be cleaner.
It could be cleaner.
Yeah, so that's what we were saying. That we were saying that it could be a little cleaner, but the thing is, we were very thick on time and all of that. So we definitely understand that. But when it comes to creativity, and we were wondering, what is that right there and all of that? Like, okay, yes,
I figured out that it was skin falling from.
Yes,
Speaking about thin and time, thank you so much. Give them a round of applause. Thank you, judges. Hold on, don't move. We're gonna have more Daytime Live right after this break. We're so forward.